Aim the remote control towards the AC and press the on button. And then slide the cover down. Then select the mode button and press it down multiple times until the snowflake sign shows up, which is the cool-in mode. You can adjust the temperature accordingly by clicking down or up on temperature sign, given that 18 is the coolest temperature. To adjust the fan settings, press on the fan sign multiple times, accordingly depending on your preference, and then wait about 5 seconds until the fan turns on. Press the powerful mode if you want to maximize the cooling effect.